Okay, so I just want to share a few other tips in this video. The first one is autoresponders. Okay, I didn't really go into too much detail in the other video where I explained that you can start driving traffic to your blogs, because once people are on your list, you can set up autoresponders through your autoresponder software, and you could send messages saying, hey, check out this article or check out this tip, and drive your subscribers to various articles in your blog. And of course, these articles will have more ads, and the greater the content, the more likely they'll click on the ads on these articles. Okay. Another thing too is, you now have a list. Once you are gathering these leads, you now have a list, and feel free to promote paid offers too. Okay, you don't always just have to drive them to free content. Once you develop a relationship with your subscribers, they're more likely to buy from you. So don't be afraid to try to sell something to them. Okay, I know the main topic of this course was to make money online without selling, but hey, you now have that option with this list. So if you desire to earn other income streams, feel free to promote paid affiliate offers to your list. Okay, and that takes me to my last point, which is to take care of your list, and it will take care of you. Okay, they've been a great source of income for me and my business, and for a lot of marketers. So make sure you take care of your list. Provide lots of great content, nurture your relationship with them, and every once in a while, they'll be willing to pay for products that you promote to them.